Introducing Stepan's MAKON NF-180, a high-performance nonionic surfactant highly suitable for warewash and rinse aid applications, and with additional utility as a wetting agent and defoamer. Built-up foam from detergents and food soils can have a negative effect on cleaning performance in automated dishwashing and other applications. MAKON NF-180 can help ensure good performance due to its excellent foam control across a wide range of temperatures. In fact, MAKON NF-180 can be demonstrated to offer superior foam suppression in comparison to other chemistries, such as low-foam block copolymers. In addition, MAKON NF-180 enables good sheeting action due to effective wetting on both polar and non-polar substrates. For more information on Stepan's MAKON NF-180 and additional low-foaming surfactants, please visit Stepan's website, where you can also request a sample. MAKON NF-180 is a high-performance addition to Stepan's broad portfolio of nonionic surfactants. Turn to Stepan as your partner in solving formulation challenges.